Hey, what's up, YouTube? Remember I showed you a little preview of that Johnny Bench autograph stuff I got and that big, huge collection of Ken Griffey Jr.'s. There was 3,200 count box just stuffed full with them. We got them priced. These were some of the better ones that I want to sell individually at the store. There's one that cool little one. So we'll just go through these a little bit. And like I said, you can kind of see what I'm pricing them at. That Toys R Us one is kind of a hard one to come by. It's a rookie one. These little pins I've never seen before. And these come out of magazines. Those are kind of hard to come by. I like these holograms, more magazines. Never seen this before. Some came out of some cookies or something. There's more magazines. I like the oddball stuff, you know, stuff that people don't have. This is pretty cool. This is a pretty high price thing. We also got a rookie in it, but the only problem was I didn't put all those stickers on. Their stickers were already there, so I'm not trying to hide anything. See that little spot right there? That sucks because the rest of it looked like the corners were pretty good and it was decent centered. Just that stupid little thing right there, it would have been a really good card. But I still threw like $40 on it. I don't know. See what happens. There's some more stuff. Oh, micro gold. That's kind of cool. I'm surprised that didn't go for more. And usually how I get my prices, I go to ComC and I usually look and see what the cheapest people are selling them for, because I want to blow stuff out. I don't want to hold on stuff. I want to, you know, sell it pretty cheap. And I picked it up pretty cheap. There's another one of the different kind of, says statehood quarters. Never seen that before either. But like I said, I like it when you get these oddball things. There's a game used jersey. There's another game used jersey. Another game used jersey. Game used bat. Game used jersey. Game used bat. And a game used jersey. And a game used jersey. How many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 8 game used jerseys and bats. So that was pretty nice. I've never seen this card before. I thought this one was pretty cool. It's a good looking card. I remember this stuff. It had all kinds of different kind of sports in it. And like I said, this was a pretty rare product. So that insert goes for like $10. This is just a retro insert. This is cool. I like this. It's a good looking card. Stadium Club. That Stadium Club card's a good looking card. Hobby Masters. I like this one. This is cool. I was surprised this one booked for so much. SPX is always nice. But I took out all the $2 cards and all the dollar cards. And like I said, we ended up having 400 $2 cards or something and a few hundred like dollar cards. So like I said, this collection is going to be a pretty good investment, I think. This is cool. I've never seen this Etch-a-Sketch card. Like I said, I like getting these oddball ones because people, you know, collect certain players and they try to collect every single card. Like this is one of the museum checklist cards. That's pretty nice. This is some kind of promo or something. I don't think this regular one has that in it. I don't know if it came out of a magazine or what. It says promo sheet 3. I don't know. I don't know what that is. This is a cons. They probably gave that out at the game or something. I was surprised this one here was so high. Some of those old Ultras inserts are pretty rare. I was surprised this was so high too. That's a good looking card. Yeah, I think I've already sold, I don't know, probably $40 worth of Griffey so far. And it's only been like 1 day. So I said this is going to turn out like this one. It's one of the different things. I can't remember what the insert's called. And there's just some more. I think these came out in 1990 baseball card magazines. But those were all the decent Griffies. So most of the other stuff I wasn't going to bore you with because it was pretty, just regular type stuff. This here was just a kind of a throw-in box. I already pulled out 2 game-used Ken Griffey Sr. cards out of this box, and I pulled out an autographed Griffey Sr. autograph. But this is just like some stuff I'll probably sell for a few bucks each, like at the store. A lot of it's going to go in my $2 box, but it's just some Johnny Benches. This is some kind of Reds. I don't know if it's a Reds team set or something, but this has got a bunch of Reds in it the same year, so I don't know if it's a team set or what. That's a cool card. But all kinds of cool, Johnny Benches. I don't know who this is. Jesse Winker. I don't know who the Dragons are either. Is that minor league maybe? Some minor league. I haven't looked this stuff up yet. This is stuff I haven't looked up yet. So some of this may be higher, it may be lower. I heard this card's like $30 now. Somebody said. Griffey Sr. And then we also had a Joe Morgan game-used bat. I don't think these go for very much. And there's another Junior. Didn't pull that out yet. And like I said, if you go watch the other video, you'll see all the... There's more Juniors in there. I didn't even remember seeing those. But if you go back at the other video, you'll see all the autographed Johnny Bench stuff I got. I don't have that stuff with me, but you can just see it on those videos if you want to go back and look at it. But yeah, this turned out to be a pretty good trade. I ended up having about $500 in trade for all this stuff. The stuff that I traded had about a $500 value. That might be able to, probably not. That will probably go in a $2 box. These will probably go in a $2 box because they're kind of harder to find. These will probably go in a $1 box. Some of the high-end Reds cards, I'll be able to sell those around here. Because I do live in Ohio, so that helps. That's cool. I always like Kellogg's cards. That's another card to probably go in a $1 or $2 box. No, probably got a $2 box. That's a rookie with him and Ken Jr. Yeah, like I said, this was just kind of like a throw-in box. Like I said, I'll probably get $1 or $2 a piece out of all those benches. Those benches will sell well. And we got another side here. There's some more benches. And some Adam Dunns. More Griffies. Yep, more Griffies. More benches. Some Sabos, Barry Larkin. Like I said, nothing to write home about, but all this stuff adds up. Phil Mackinnon. I didn't even know he coached the Reds until I saw that card. What do we got here? Some kind of hologram. Jose Rio. I'll probably throw that in a $1 or $2 box. Some Reds fan will buy that. And I think all the rest of this stuff here, this whole row, is these, let's check them out here. They're 2006 Cracker Jacks. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 of these Ozzie Smith cards. Here's another Johnny Bench card. I don't know what that is. But that's the plaque that I got, or the lithograph I got autographed. So I don't know if that was something from that artist or what. And there's also, what do we got here? Dave Burba. But here's everybody that's in that set. You got Johnny Bench, Orlando Cepeda, Raleigh Fingers, Fergie Jenkins, Harmon Killebrew, Juan Marichal, Jim Palmer, Gaylord Perry, Brooks Robinson, Ozzie Smith. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys in that set that do their mail. I think Johnny Bench might do it through the website too. So you could almost get everybody through the mail except for Ozzie and Harmon. But that'd be awesome. I thought about sending some of those off. Like here's a set here. There's Brooks Robinson. These Canseco's weren't in there. But here's the Griffey cards. I forgot to grab these. These are the 2 Griffey senior cards that were in there. And there's another set. All on top loaders. Another set. Another set. So we got 5 sets at least. There's probably, like I said, there's probably even more sets in here because these are all those. There's only 10 cards in the set, so there's probably more sets I can make if I wanted them. Don't know if they'll sell or not, but I'll probably put them in the store for $10 or $15 a set. Try to sell them. But what do you think, guys? You guys think that was worth $500 in trade? Basically, the stuff I traded was stuff I didn't want. Had no use for it all. Didn't have any way of selling it, so it worked out for me. Because like I said, I really literally had no interest in the stuff I traded. And I got all this cool stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I almost forgot to bring the stuff home to show you guys. Please like, please subscribe. Let me know what your favorite card was. Let me know if you collect a certain player or what you collect. Personally, like I said, only reason I even started getting into cards is because I wanted to collect autographs. And that's all I wanted to collect. I didn't care about the cards. I just wanted the autographed cards. So I started buying collections to get TTM fuel. And come to find out, I started building up some of these nice cards, and I was like, I'm never going to get all these nice cards signed, so I need to find a way to sell these nice cards to, buy more TTM fuel or buy more stamps or buy more, whatever. And it's worked out pretty good. So now, like I said, I got a really nice selection of cards and stuff now. Like I said, I've been doing this for about 2 years now. And like I said, my collection, not really collection, my collection's been doing great, but I've been, like I said, my inventory of the stuff I don't collect is really, really growing. Like I said, I've been buying a lot of good stuff, coming across a lot of good deals like this, and buying a bunch of stuff, on eBay and stuff. So, all right, guys, please like, please subscribe, please comment. Till next time, peace.